Good morning, Dancel. Can you see the board? Can you see what's on the board correctly?
Yes.
Okay, so can you read the first question for me, please?
Work out 0.83 plus 1.46.
Right, so 0.83, right? What we need to do is to make sure decimal below decimal. So 0.83, right? Plus 1 point decimal below decimal 4, 6. Okay, so we need to add them together. So have a go at it. Have a go at it, or you want us to do it together? Let's go do it together. So,
Right.
what's 3 add 6?
18.
Sorry?
18.
No, 3 add. Add. You're adding. So 3 plus 6.
9.
9. Yes. Okay. Now, what is 8 add 4?
12.
12. So tell me, what do I do? What number do I write here?
Put the 2.
Yeah, you put the 2 down. Yes. Carry the 1.
1.
And look, decimal below decimal. Always remember that. Decimal below decimal. So 1 plus 1.
1 plus 1. 2.
So the answer is 2, right? 0.29. Okay?
Okay.
Right. So this goes with question 1. Happy with that?
Yep.
Okay. Next one. Okay. You want to read question 2 for me, please?
Yes. Complete the equivalent fraction. 3 over 2 equals 24.
3 over 12 equals to blank over 24. So this one here, equivalent. The key word here is equivalent, right? Equivalent fraction, right? So you got 3 over 12 equals to 24. Okay, the word equivalent, meaning what do I multiply, right? What do I need to multiply by 12 to get 24? What number?
2.
2. Give me a second. You're a bit low. Right, we need to multiply 2. Okay? So, if I times this by 2, I need to do the same thing to the top. I need to times that by 2 also. Okay? So I'm going to times that by 2. Right? So 2 times 3 is what?
6.
6. So now I can say 3 over 12 is equivalent to 6 over 24. Equivalent meaning the same, right? It means the same fraction. It means the same. So watch this carefully. Equivalent. So we got a half is equivalent to 6 over 3. Yes?
Yes.
Because it's the same. Because you do 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Yes?
Yes.
Again, 4 right? What goes at the top? It's equivalent to a half.
Half.
So it's equivalent to 2, yes?
Yes.
And then sometime you will see this.
2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 4.
Yes, so 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. Sometime you see this, right? 10. Right? So you get to ask yourself, right? Let's link it together from here. Here. What did I multiply? Right? I multiply 10 there. So at the bottom here, I need to multiply to get to there. I need to multiply by 10. Yes? So what's 10 times 2?
20.
20. So all of these fractions here, all of these fractions are equivalent. It means they're exactly the same. Yes?
Yes.
Equivalent. So equivalent means equal. You understand that?
Yes.
Beautiful. Okay. Okay. Now, next one. Can you read that for me, please?
Express 1/2 as a decimal.
Okay. Express 1/2 as a decimal. Do you understand what that means? What am I expecting to see? What am I expecting to see? Decimal. Right? What am I expecting to see? I'm expecting to see this. Right? I'm expecting to see something with this in it. North, right? 0.4. I'm expecting to see something like that. Yes?
Yes.
Now, this is what you do here. And from time to time, you need to practice this. So, as a decimal, we're going to do something known as, remember what I call this, the bus stop method. Yes?
Yes.
So to do this, you do the denominator, which is the bottom number here, the numerator there. You said 2 into 1, you can't, yes? So you add a 0, put a decimal point. When you put a decimal point, you add a 0 to the 1. That becomes 10. Yes?
10.
So now you say 2 into 10 goes 5.
5.
Okay, can you copy this in a book, please? Can you copy this in a book? A half as a decimal is 0.5. And I'm going to let you write down a few, which I need you to know these by memory. Okay? So,
paper.
Fraction and then a line decimal. So, a half as a decimal. Half as a decimal is 0.5. Yes? Write that down. quarter as a decimal is 0.25. Okay, these you need to know these, Danzel, right? 3/4 0.75. Okay. So this here is equivalent to this. This here is equivalent to this. And this here is equivalent to this. Yep. Decimal fraction.
Doing.
Okay, brilliant. Now, okay. Now, can you read this for me, please?
Is 100 a multiply of 5?
Okay, do you understand what the word multiple mean? Multiple?
Yeah, you multiple on a number, you add.
So basically, can, right, multiple, right, it's like the 5 timetable. So if we do the 5 timetable together, right, is it a multiple? So is it in the 5 timetable? That is what they're asking you. So we can do it together. 5, 10. What's the next one?
5,
15.
15.
Yeah. Next, then
Right.
20.
20.
Then add 5 more. 25.
Right.
Then 30.
30.
Right. 35. 40.
40. 45.
Right. 45. 50.
55.
55. 60.
65.
Right. 65. 70.
70. 75.
75. 80.
85.
What's the next one?
90. 95.
95. Then what's the next one?
100.
100. So therefore, right, and I'm just going to put 105 here. So you can see here, the question is 100 it's basically 100. Is it in the 5 timetable? Yes, it is. Okay? So it's in the 5 timetable. So you understand that?
Yes.
So all of these are multiples of 5. Okay? Okay. Read this for me, please. This one.
Is the angle acute, obtuse, or reflex?
Okay. Can you tell me? Can you define an acute angle for me? What's an acute angle? Do you know? An acute angle.
Basically, it means
An acute angle, right,
angle
is less than. An acute angle is less than
less than
90
90.
degrees. Okay?
So,
Right? An obtuse angle, right, which is this one. This is an obtuse angle. It is between 90
90.
and 180 degrees. So this angle here, you can see it's between 90, because a 90 is an L shape. Yes?
Yes.
This angle is bigger than an L shape. So a reflex angle, okay, reflex angle is between 180 and 360. No, right? So 180, yes, reflex
Yes.
angle. So basically, that's a reflex angle. Yes?
Yes.
Obtuse angle, acute angle is less than 90. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we come back and revisit this several times, so don't worry. Right? Okay. So that's question 10 finish. Sorry, question 5. Question 6.
Multiplying 190.92 by 100.
Yep. So 190.92 times by 100. Okay. Do you want to tell me what's the answer?
2 times 0 is
Okay. Okay, I want you to look at this. What is, look at this, Dantel. What is 9 times 10?
90.
90. Yes? What is 0.9 times by 10? What is
No.
0.9 times 10?
0.90.
Sorry?
0.90.
Okay. Watch this. 10 times 9, right? That's 90.
90.
Yeah, and I'm going to put the decimal point in one decimal place, 0. Yes? So
9.
that is basically saying that is 9.
9.
Yes? So 0.9 times 10 is 9. Okay? I want you to focus what's going on here. Watch this now. What is 0.9, right, times by 100?
No. 9.
How many decimal place? So what's 9 times 100?
900.
900, yes?
Yes. 9.
How many decimal place? 1.
1.
So the answer is 90. Yes, 90.0. But we can just say 90. Okay, if I clear this, just establish something again. Watch this carefully. There is 2 decimal place here, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so, and this is times 100. So I'm going to write out 190. Yes, 92. The answer is basically 19,092. And I explain why. Because 0.92 times 100
Times 100 is times 100.
is 92, yes? So therefore, what it does, the number, actually, this is the only way I can illustrate it. It moves this 100 here, yes, remove the decimal point, right, 2 places to your right, okay? Or you say you move the numbers, the digits. The digits actually move, the decimal point do not move. Move the digit 2 places to my left, okay?
Right.
Right. This is something that we're going to go over several times and we're going to drill it. So don't worry about it. Right. From time to time as we go through these, you should understand. Right. 10 questions, then we do the topic. Okay. Okay. Can you read this for me?
True or false? 30 minutes. Length 900 seconds.
What did it say? What is this sign? What does this sign mean?
Right.
It says 30 minutes. Yeah.
Yep.
Minutes. Right. Is it less than 900 seconds?
Minutes.
Okay. Okay. How many seconds? Have they teach this in school? How many seconds equal to 1 minute? How many seconds equal to 1 minute? Okay, let me help you with this. 60 seconds. Yes?
Yes.
60 seconds equals to 1 minute. Right? Equals to 1 minute. So we're going to see how many, right?
Right.
So 30 minutes, if 1 minute equals to 30 seconds, sorry, 60 seconds, so 30 minutes is going to equals to 30. So this bit here, this, we're going to convert into seconds, right?
Right.
So we're going to say 30 minutes is 30 times 60. Can you tell me what's 30 times 60, please? What is 3 times 6?
180.
18. Yeah? And then it's 2 zeros, which is 10. So it's going to be 180.
180.
So 1,800 seconds is equal to, right? So it asks the question now, the 30 seconds,
Yes.
right? Which is bigger, 30 seconds, sorry, 900 seconds or 30 minutes? Because 30 minutes here, yes, is equal to 1,800 seconds. So which is bigger? 30 minutes, yes? So therefore, true or false? The answer is false. The answer is false. Yes?
Yes.
Because 30 minutes is much bigger. It's twice 900 seconds. So the answer is false. Okay? False. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now it says write in words the value of the underlined figure. So we got here.
199.
What is it?
199.
199, and then something follows. So you got
111.
199, and then what?
111.
No, both numbers are together. So it is 199,111. So here we go. This here is underlined, this figure here. So basically this is 100, right? 100 100, right? 1,000. So this figure here that is underlined is 100,000. So the number is read 199, right? 1,000, right? 111. So it says here, what's the figure that's underlined is 100,000. Okay. So the next question is, you want to read the next question for me?
Yes. Round 4.58 to 1 decimal place.
Okay. Round to 1 decimal place. So this here, 4.58, okay. There is 2 numbers after decimal point. So it's 2 decimal place, yes? So the rule is, right, you look at the second decimal place, which is here. Okay. If the number is 5 or more, right, you round up. Okay. So we look at the second number of decimal place. If it's 5 or more, you round up. You increase this number by 1. So is this number more than 5?
Yes.
Yes. So we're going to increase this number by 1. So the answer, right, is going to be 4.1. No, we increase this by 1. Increase. So it's going to be 4.6 to 1. All right, 1. You're right, 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. Okay? So it's 4.6 to 1 decimal place. Okay? Now, what does the rule say? The rule says if it's 5 or more, you increase by 1. Let's just try something else, Dancer. Look at this. I'm going to write this. 4.53. I need to round this to 1 decimal place. You go there. Okay, look at the second number. Is that number more than 5?
Yes.
No, that's 3 there. We're looking at this number. Is it more than 5? Is it
No.
more than 5?
No.
No, it's not. So if it's not more than 5, you leave the number as it is. So round this to 1 decimal place. It's going to be 4.5. Yes? 1 decimal place. Can you see the difference? This number here is more than 5. Yes?
Yes.
So we increase by 1. This number here is less than 5. If this is, yeah?
Yeah.
So it's less than 5. So we then leave it as it is. Okay? Okay. Right, so we finished that. Okay, I'm going to give you 2 minutes, Danzel. I'll write this out, and I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do this by yourself. Right, the final one, I'll give you 2 minutes to have a go by yourself. Right, question 10, before we start sequencing rules. So, it says here, 6,432 at
Plus at
1,123.
23.
Yeah, 23. Okay? So, have a go, right? I just switch my camera off, but I'll be watching you. Have a go, please.
Doing.
Okay, brilliant. Excellent. Now, you're going to tell me what to write. I'm just going to be a robot, right? So, tell me what to write. Go on.
5.
Okay, 5. Well
5.
done. Then
5.
5. Did you say 5 again?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So you got 3 plus 2.
2.
It's going to be 5 again. Then 4 plus 1.
5.
5. Then 6 plus 1.
7.
7. So can you read the answer out for me, please? What's the answer?
7,555.
Brilliant. Excellent. Well done. Okay. So we have recap, right? Adding with decimal. right? Equivalent, some keyword expressing fraction into decimal. We did some multiples, which is, and we look at 5 time table, angles, right? Multiplying decimal by 100, right?
Right.
Changing time also, seconds, minutes, well done. And then writing in words, rounding, adding. Okay, so this is extremely good. Well done. Today's lesson, right, what we're going to look at, sequence and rule. So sequence and rule. Okay. Right, we're going to look at this example together, yes?
Yes.
So, sequence and rule, right? This is my sequence here, Dancel. So we got our sequence here, which is 1, 4, 7,
7, 8,
right? Then 10,
10.
13, yes?
Yes.
This number here in the sequence is in the first place, yes?
Yes.
This is in the second place. That's the third, fourth, okay, fifth. Right now, look at this. 1, 4, 7, 13. Sorry, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Yes?
Yes.
Could you tell me what would be my sixth number? What would be the next number?
It will be 9.
Look. Okay. So you could not tell me that is incorrect. So you could not tell me. But what if I said to you, Danzel, the rule for this sequence, I'm adding 3 each time. Yes? I'm adding 3 each time. So watch this. I start with 1 and I'm adding 3 each time. So you got plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Yes?
Yes.
4 plus 3 is what? 7.
7.
Yes?
Yes.
7 plus 3 is 10. Yes?
Yes.
Right. 10 plus 3 is
10 plus 3 is 13.
13. Yes? So now, what would be this number here? You now establish a rule, right? You got your sequence here, you establish a rule. So
14.
what's this? What would I need to do? I need to add 3 here. My rule is add 3.
14.
So 13 add 3, Danzel. Think before you talk. 13 add 3.
15.
It's what?
15.
No, it's not 15. Try again. 13 add 3.
13.
13 add 3. Come on, call yourself, Danzel. Look at me. Call yourself 13, yes?
Yes.
And do 13. You need to add 3. So 13, 14, 15, 16.
16.
Yes? So
Yes.
16. So if that's 16, what if I add 3 more?
18.
Think about it, Dancel. Think about it. Call yourself 16, add 3.
16. 17. 18. 19.
Sorry?
16, 17, 18, 19.
Thank you very much. 19. Okay. Right. What about the next one? Add 3 again. What about the next one?
21.
Well done. 20. No, try again. Not 21. You're adding 2, Denzel.
19,
Try again. Sorry?
19, 20, 21.
Go on. Add 3 to 19.
19,
Yeah?
20,
And then add 3.
9, 19, 8, 19, 20, 21.
You're adding 2, Denzel. You need to add 3. You need to add 3. So 19,
20,
20, 21,
22.
22. Okay, why you adding 2 when you need to be adding 3? Okay, so that's 22. Okay, I'm going to start back this sequence again. The rule still is adding 3. Focus. I want you to focus, Denzel. So, the rule is, yes, the rule is here is add 3. That's the rule. This is the rule. Yes? I'm going to start off with the number 2. Right? Starting off with the number 2. And the rule is add 3. So add 3. Yes? So what is 3? What is 3 add 2?
5.
Thank you very much. Okay. So these are known that's my first term. That's my second term in the sequence. Notice I'm using these language keywords to you now. So this is my sequence building up. So what's going to be my third number now in the sequence?
7.
Sorry? You start with 5. 5 add 3.
7.
5 add 3.
7.
Call yourself 5 add 3.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Thank you very much. You're adding 3, so it's 8. Okay. Now again, add 3.
8, 9, 11.
Thank you very much. Add 3.
14.
Well done. You're getting it. Add 3.
14, 15, 14, 17.
Well done. Okay. Add 3.
17, 18, 20.
Well done. Okay. These numbers here are known as a sequence, right? The rule is adding 3, right? Now, let's look at another sequence here. Okay, this time, what are we doing each time? We used this word already in previous lesson.
Double.
Yeah, so give me some, right? So when we said we're doubling, what are we doing? Give me some other keyword. What did we say when we're doubling? It's the same as what?
Times 2. Times 2.
Sorry?
Times 2.
Well done. Well done. Times 2. Or you're adding the number by itself. Yes? So let's just go through this now. So the rule here is doubling. The rule here is doubling times in by 2. That's the rule. Yes?
Yes.
So let's start with 1. Right? With double 1, what you get? What's the next one? What's the next sequence?
Double 1.
So we basically times in by 2. What's 2 times 1?
Times 2.
Double 1, 2, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Double 2.
4.
4.
Double 4.
Double 4. What's double 4?
2 add 4. 4 add 8. Double 8.
Double 8. What's 2 times 8?
16. Double
16.
Double 16.
Okay. Double 16. I'm going to help you with that one. 32. Yes?
Yes.
So the sequence here, okay, doubling. Sorry, rubbish, 32. Why did I write 36? Don't know. Okay. That's supposed to be 32. Okay. So the sequence here is double. The sequence here is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. We are doubling. Happy with that? Let's start with a different sequence now. I'm starting with, so my start number here, my start number here is 3. Yes?
Yes.
And my rule is doubling. This is my rule. My rule is doubling. So my rule is doubling. That's my rule. Start with 3.
Double.
So if I double 3, what do I get?
6. Double 6.
6. Right?
Double 6.
Double 6.
Double 12. Double 12.
12. Right? Double 12.
24. Double 24.
24. Double 24. Double 24. What's double 8? Double 4. 8.
8.
Double 2. 4.
4.
Yes? Okay. Now double 48 is going to give you 96. Okay?
Okay.
So that's doubling. Now, so what I want you to remember, each sequence here, right, you got a starting point. Right? So for each of them, right? Okay. So can you see what's on the board? What does it say?
Which different rules and different starting points? You can millions.
You can make millions of sequence, right? You can make the millions of sequence. So let's make up one. You give me a rule. Give me a rule.
Adding.
Add what?
Adding.
Add 8.
Yes.
Did you say add 8? So the rules that you can make up are using times, divide, right? Add,
Doubling.
take away. Yes? So those
Yes.
are the rules. So you said the rule for you. That's the rule. The rule is going to be add 8. This is your rule. Okay?
Right.
So now add 8. So give me a start number. What's your start number? So I need a start number from you. What's your start number? What's your start number?
Add 8.
No, this is a rule. That's a rule. The rule is add 8. We need to start at a number. So give me a number that you're going to start with to generate your sequence now. Right. Should I choose a start number then?
Yes.
Okay. Let's choose the number 0. Yes? So that's what we're starting with. So the rule is add 8. I'm going to add 8 to 0. What do I get? What's 0 add 8?
8.
8. Okay. And then what's 8 add 8? What's double 8?
16.
16. 8 add 8, remember? Right. And then I do the next one for you. Right. Add 8. Again, it's going to be 24.
24.
Right. Add 8 again. Okay. It's going to be 32. Okay. Add 8 again. It's going to be 40. Right?
Right.
So that's my starting point. Now, I can actually generate different set of sequence by using different start number. That is what they said. So what we're going to do here, okay, I'm going to go through and ask you to have a go at these questions for me. Okay, so okay, here we go. Right, if I do F, right? Question says here, use the term-to-term rule. Yes, this is known as term-to-term rule and the starting point, right, to make a sequence with 4 terms. Okay? I'm going to do F for you. F, and then I'm going to ask you to do A, right, and C with me, and then you need to finish the rest of homework. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so if I start with the letter F, right, what's the rule? The rule is what? Times by? Multiply by?
Multiply by 8.
Multiply by 5?
5.
Okay, so that's the rule. Okay, so multiply by 5. And what's the start number?
0.
What's the start number? 2.
2.
Yes? So if I start with 2, what's my rule? Times by 5.
5.
Okay. So what's 5 times 2?
10.
10. Okay. They said they need 4 term. That's 2. So we need 2 more. Times by 5.
50.
50. Okay. Times by 5 again. So start with 5 times 0 is 0.
0.
What's 5 times 5?
25.
25. So this is 250. Yes? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I was going to do the 5th one, but they asked us to do 4. So that's my first term, Denzel. Yes?
Yes.
That's my second term. That's my third, which is number 3 term. That's my 4th term. Yes? So these are 4 numbers, 4 term in the sequence. Yes?
Yes.
Next one. I'm going to do H. So H. Okay? So what's my rule? What's the rule? What's the rule? The rule is what? Times by 2.
2.
So that's the rule. Times by 2. Okay? What's my start number?
5.
5. So start with 5 times by 2. So what's 2 times 5?
10.
10. Okay? Times by 2 again.
20.
20. Times by 2 again.
Right.
What is it?
40.
40.
0. 40.
Okay? Well done. Okay, so this, oh. So 40. Okay, now the sequence are 5, right? 10, 20, 40. Okay, so if I go to A, you're going to do A for me. I'm not going to help you with that. So what's the rule?
Add 3.
Rule is +3. Okay, so this is, let me mark it off here. This is your A. Okay, so the rule is add 3. Okay, what's the starting number?
Start at 2. 2.
2. Okay, so what we're adding 3. So what come after 2 then? If the rule is add 3,
4.
count, Denzel. Come on, check. Call yourself 2 add 3.
2 add 3. 6.
No, Denzel, your time's in. Add.
5.
5. Okay, don't guess, please. Next one. So add 3 here again. Add 3 to 5.
Right. 7.
What is it?
7.
No, not 7. Try
8.
again. 8. Okay. Add 3 to 8.
10.
No.
No. 3 and 8.
11.
11.
Okay. So, what I'd like you to do for me, leave this on the board. Okay, we're going to stop here. You're going to complete, yes? You're going to complete all of these questions for me. So, exercise, right? Tell your mom you're going to complete exercise, right? Exercise 2A, right? Which is all of these questions, right? Question, all of question 1, A to H, okay? We're going to complete all of that, right? Can you copy that down, please? Brilliant. Thank you very much, Denzel. That was a good session, right? We're going to go into describing next time. All right. Brilliant. So, we pick up on the next topic, right? Well, I'll catch up with you later. Thank you very much. Yep.
Yep.